Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account. So to do that, first go to your browser and search for PayPal account, and here you can see your first website. Click there and now click on sign up. So now choose your account type, personal or business. So I'm just going to select business and click on get started, and here we have to fill in this captcha, so I'm just going to skip this for now. Alright, so after that you'll get to this page over here where you can create a business account. So just fill in the details and select your password as well. Make sure your password is strong, and now click on agree and create account. And now you'll have to activate your account, so click on start activating your account. And now fill in this basic form. So I'm just going to select this, and now basically just fill in the details, so I'm just going to skip this part. So after doing all that, your PayPal account will be created. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one.